Hello guys, I'm here in the second floor. I will see you my backup refrigerator because the other one refrigerator is a lot of things inside, so my boss will buy another refrigerator, think too big. So I will open this and see what inside the backup refrigerator. So guys, ito po yung backup. This is the backup refrigerator. So this is only for fruits, or maybe if the other one it's very full, so I put here the vegetables or the meat if ever the first refrigerator is very full. So this is the backup refrigerator. So her inside, so I put some meat inside the chicken. So thank you guys.